The Uchiha hideout. Sasuke should be here soon. Well now. Why don't you just show yourself?
Imagine meeting you here, Itachi Uchiha.
The Anbu of the Hidden Leaf. To have tracked me down is commendable.
Any and all locations related to the Uchiha clan are under watch by the Anbu. You'd better give up. The whole area is crawling with Anbu. There is no escape.
Unfortunately, I have matters to attend to here. I'll have to ask you to leave.
Looks like he wants to fight.
Fine with me. Be lost in eternal illusion.
Mission start.
Get out of my way.
Surrender! You can't escape!
I don't intend to escape. What I'm here to do is much too important.
Take that! Amaterasu! All shall return to dust.
There's no point in continuing this fight. Leave now if you want to live.
You seem quite sure of yourself, Itachi.
Fire style! Fireball jutsu! Take that! Amaterasu! All shall return to dust.
This won't require any serious effort.
Fire style! Fireball jutsu!
Is this the power of Uchiha? No! He's too strong!
You're strong, sure enough. But how long can you hold up?
Increasing your numbers won't make any difference. This won't require any serious effort.
Take that! Amaterasu! All shall return to dust.
Impossible! Is he really too much for us?
Drown in my genjutsu.
I'll burn you to ashes.
This is the arena of the Uchiha. Outsiders are unwelcome.
Take that! Amaterasu! All shall return to dust.
We have to overpower him with numbers. Let's go!
Take that!
Are you willing to give your lives for your mission?
No, we're not finished yet.
Is this the power of Uchiha? impossible. Is he really too much for us?
Let me show you my final trump card. This is the arena of the Uchiha. Outsiders are unwelcome. This won't require any serious effort.
No, he's too strong. Is this the power of Uchiha?
You think you can overcome me with numbers?
I'll make quick work of you.
As I would expect of the Leaf Ninja. They don't back down easily. I will not be done in by such middling power.
I cannot deny that you are more powerful, but know that your hubris will be your undoing.
Hubris, huh? It's over.
Mission complete.
Even we couldn't stop him.
The Hidden Leaf.
What? Look at his eyes.
The time is finally at hand. I'm waiting, Sasuke.